Okay, now you spent some good money, invested in a good suit, and you're very happy the way it looks on you. Now, how do you take care of it? Well, first of all, when you get your suit, have it dry cleaned or, well, steam it. Get a steamer or a steam iron and steam it, get the wrinkles out of it when it comes packed in a box or something. Invest in a good hanger, solid wooden hanger that has rounded shoulders, because this keeps the shoulders intact without creasing them. Please do not use those cheap wire hangers that you get from the dry cleaners. Your suit should be dry cleaned maybe twice a year. And I'm sure you should have, one would have at least 3 to 4 suits in your wardrobe, so you can rotate them. And when you dry clean them, please dry clean the pants and the jacket together. I know the pants get worn out much more and get used much more, but otherwise you're going to have 2 different shades when you wear the suit after a few dry cleanings. If you have a 3-piece suit, please send all the 3 pieces into the dry cleaners. I know it costs you money, but they'll all come back looking the same. Now, the other important thing is when you are traveling, how do you travel? What do you do with a suit? Hangers would be too heavy to carry around. So the best way would be a simple fold. Hold both the shoulders together, meet them at the point and inside out, and turn the jacket inside out, so that if you spill anything in your suitcase or something, your suit doesn't get ruined. Turn it inside out. Let the 2 lapels meet together, then you don't get a wrinkle in the lapels, and fold it. And this can very easily be placed neatly in your suitcase. The pants, of course, just to be folded twice over it. And if you have a plastic bag, just put it in a plastic bag, and that'll take you around the world. This is the best way to take care of your suit. Shirts are simple. They stay on this thin hanger, and you can put 3 or 4 shirts in plastic cover, and that keeps them from wrinkling. When you iron your shirt, always start with the collar. Iron the inside of the collar first, and then the inside of the cuff. Once you have turned the inside of the cuff, once you have ironed it, turn it to the seam and just iron very lightly on the inside. This again stops the heat of the iron getting onto the top. Buttons, when you see the buttons, the pleat, iron between the buttons, never on the button, because you'll ruin the button, and of course you'll ruin your iron. Well, basically the collar, the front, and finally in the end you iron the back. What else would there be? Sorry, Chris. What else was?
Do we talk about ironing? Do we talk about washing? Standard wash, standard normal wash, nothing special there.
Avoid dry cleaners because they shrink the shirts. Yeah.
So just look at the shirt.
Yeah.
Back here and say.
Okay, for shirts, I would suggest that you avoid dry cleaning them, because the heat at the dry cleaners and the chemicals, they would shrink your collar for you. And so hand wash them at home in a cool temperature, and then hang it up. Never, never, never put your shirt in a tumble dryer, because the drum of the dryer breaks your buttons, and at the same time it shrinks the finest cotton fabric. Just hang it up on a wire hanger and on the line and just let it dry out. That's the best way to take care of your shirts.